Welcome to another CMD tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to format a pen drive using CMD. All right. Pen drive could be USB stick or sometimes called USB drive or thumb drive or thumbstick, whatever you call it. All right. Go ahead and open up your CMD. Make sure that you run this one as administrator. All right. There will be a pop-up. Just click on yes. Now let's just type in diskpart, hit enter. Now we're going to want to go ahead and put in list space disk. Now select the disk or the drive. You can easily spot which drive you will select. For example, here we have disk 0 and disk 1. So right here, the flash drive got 223 gigs. Right here, 223 gigs. So it is disk 0. So let's just go ahead and select that one. Type in select disk space 0. All right. Hit on enter. Now the disk is selected. Now just type in clean. Wait for it, and this one will be gone. Now what we're going to do next is just type in create partition space primary, hit enter. It says here diskpart succeeded in creating the specified partition. So what we're going to do to complete the format process is just type in format space fs is equal to NTFS. All right, it could be FAT32 if your pen drive is pre-built as FAT32. All right, now go ahead and put in some space and type in quick right here to make the process faster. Hit on enter. As you can see here, there's a progress bar. Just wait for it. Now it's done. It says diskpart successfully formatted volume. Now go ahead and type in assign. So it will assign a letter and it will be alive. All right, hit on enter. And there you have it. And that's basically how you format pen drive using CMD. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.